Ant infestation in your garage can seriously mess with your space, but keeping it clean and dry is the real game changer. Alright? So first off, you gotta start by clearing out any clutter where ants love to hide, like old boxes or piles of junk. Next, make sure you sweep up crumbs and dirt regularly, because ants are basically tiny food detectives. Check for leaks or any water pooling in your garage. Ants are all about moisture, so fix leaky pipes or seal cracks where water can sneak in. Use natural deterrents like vinegar or lemon juice around doorways and windows. Ants hate that stuff. If you store food or pet supplies in your garage, keep them in airtight containers to cut off their snack supply. Seal any cracks or gaps in walls, doors, and windows with caulk or weather stripping so ants can't just stroll in. Setting up ant bait traps in corners can help kill off the colony without using harsh chemicals everywhere. Lastly, keep an eye out for ant trails and wipe them away to confuse their scent paths. One of the biggest mistakes people make with ant infestations in garages is ignoring moisture problems. Ants love damp spots, so if you don't fix leaks or dry out puddles, they'll keep coming back. Another common issue is leaving food out or not sealing it properly. Ants smell even the tiniest crumbs from far away. The third is not sealing entry points like cracks or gaps around doors and windows. These are like open invitations for ants to move in. To fix these, start by drying everything out and repairing leaks right away. Store all food in sealed containers and clean up spills immediately. Finally, seal every crack and gap you find with caulk or weather stripping to block their entry. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing. Plus, it's great for contractors who want to connect with real clients and score more work without all the hassle.